Hey everyone, welcome to The Witness. My name is Gautam Zadav, and today we'll be talking about FC Barcelona and generally everything that has happened in the past few days. And this video is more of a heart-to-heart conversation with the coolers out there, and what are we going to look forward to in the coming season and all. Because I'm a cooler as well. Yeah, FC Barcelona for life, and it's not a fact video or something like that. It's more of a talk and also a message to a lot of plastic fans, I guess, or people who don't really watch football, or people who are players fanboys, and these guys who are saying stuff like La Liga is over. But well, I think it isn't. La Liga is not over. That's the basic point. Yeah. La Liga is not over. You can say FC Barcelona is over because Messi has departed, or Real Madrid is over because Sergio Ramos has departed, Varane has departed, but you can't say that La Liga is over. And to know more about this entire topic about La Liga, you can check out this video. I'll put up the link somewhere up there. Yeah, check it out. Anyway, so about FC Barcelona, let's begin. So whatever happened in the past 5 days, I guess, yeah, uh, is shocking. No one expected Lionel Messi to leave FC Barcelona. In fact, Lionel Messi himself did not expect himself to leave FC Barcelona. He was happy. He came back from his vacation. He's in FC Barcelona. I mean, he's in Barcelona, and he's going to sign this new contract. 99% verbal agreement हो गया है. बस आके बस sign करना है. यही बोल रहे थे हमको. सभी खुश है. FC like all the fans are happy. The coolers are happy. Everything is going great. And suddenly, out of nowhere, the social media is filled with this thing that Messi is not going to sign his contract. The entire contract situation has fallen down. Out of nowhere. Like, everyone was shocked. And until people were comprehending this entire situation कि ये सच है नहीं है क्या होने वाला है, तब तक FC बार्सिलोना ने पोस्ट कर दिया अपने सोशल मीडिया पे कि नहीं नहीं लियोनेल मेसी चला, ग्रासियस लियो मेसी. ये इतने फास्ट हुआ कि उसे प्रोसेस करने का टाइम ही नहीं था. मैं तो ऑनेस्टली अभी भी बिलीव नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ कि he joined PSG. Like, yeah, we're going to talk about this further in this video, but well, yeah, he joined PSG. I mean, no one would have thought. I mean, this 21 years ka love story and all of this comes to an end out of nowhere. Like, out of nowhere. No one had thought that Messi would leave like this. Not even fans of other teams thought that Messi will leave FC Barcelona someday like this, which is shocking. And a lot of people are blaming Laporta that he used this topic when he already knew that he won't be able to sign Messi, and he used this topic to get elected. People are blaming Messi as well. But honestly speaking, no. Messi cannot be blamed because he did everything he could. He wanted to stay. If you guys saw the press conference, you know the entire situation. As soon as he started crying, the fans, everyone is crying. Like, we could feel the emotion. In fact, the people who are not even FC Barcelona fans, the cool people who are not even cooler started having this emotional thing, because I have friends who literally talked to me about all of this, and it was shocking for every single person out there. So yeah, it's not Messi, or I'm not going to blame Laporta either, because he tried everything he could, because the entire financial situation that had been managed by the earlier board and all, it was messed up. So who should we blame? Well, if you ask me, I would blame Joseph Bartomeu. Clean and clear. Yeah, that guy is the one who mishandled our accounts. He messed up the entire situation, financial situation at FC Barcelona. I mean, there is this report of Forbes. I'll be putting down a link. You can go and check it out. Where when Messi signed his contract in 2017, he was given a 50 million signing bonus, and he was given additional 70 million, and overall something कुछ तो last number 130 million तक पहुंचा था. Now my question here is कि बारसा नई चैंपियंस लीग जीत रहे थे, तो ये पैसे आ कहाँ से रहे थे? That is the shocking part कि ये पैसे आ कहाँ से रहे थे? Like, the amount of corruption this Joseph Bartomeu must have done is, like, I can't even imagine. This is the reason, this is the basic reason that Messi is not being registered as a Barcelona player. He cannot sign a contract with FC Barcelona, which is shocking because FC Barcelona, to be honest, is one of the richest clubs out there. So ये मुझे believe ही नहीं हो रहा, मैं अभी भी shock में हूँ. Okay, so that's the thing. Then the thing about the end of an era. Well, I agree, it is the end of an era. Well, Messi leave, Ronaldo left a few years ago, Ramos भी छोड़ के गया इस season. In fact, Varane also left. The core players in these two La Liga teams have left. But again, my point, La Liga is not over. Yeah, again, reminding you, go check this video out. Anyway, so it is the end of an era, but I guess that's the cycle of life. When you move on, new players come, and this top era will be back again someday. Teams like FC Barcelona and Real Madrid, these teams don't really have these transition years because they're the big clubs. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग जस्ट मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन ज़रा ठीक से हो जाने दो, अगले साल तक हलांड वगैरह कोई ना कोई तो आएगा, कोई बड़ा प्लेयर 100% आएगा एफसी बार्सिलोना में, क्योंकि वो मेंटेन करना होता है एंड दे विल डू इट. वी जस्ट हैव टू सॉल्व दिस एंटायर फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन. अभी के लिए या लाइक थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट वी विल डू इट. आई नो दैट वी विल डू इट. सो agreed that this is the end of an era and all. Anyway, let's talk about Messi joining PSG. Yeah, today is 11th August, and I saw this entire press conference and everything where Messi signed the new contract with PSG. He's happy over there, and well, of course, it's a great thing he's happy over there because, yeah, that's a great thing. He has given us a lot of good memories, the cool years, and everything that he did for the club is very important. So I'm happy to see him happy. So that's there. But yeah, and he took up the number 30, which was kind of weird because, yeah, I did not see that coming. So that is there. And now we have the M&M. Okay, that's kind of funny. Anyway, we have the M&M, Messi, Neymar and Mbappe. मतलब ये अटैकिंग ट्रायो पागल करने वाला है ये सबको. It looks like it's going to be a really good attacking trio. But well, there have been times in the past where teams, they brought these big players, but they did not work out really. That could happen. There's a very good possibility that might happen. But for now, at least on paper, if you see, it's a dangerous attacking trio with Di Maria in the team. They have Wijnaldum, they have Sergio Ramos. Who would have thought that Sergio Ramos and Lionel Messi will someday play in the same team? Literally, पिछला पूरा decade, the last decade, we have seen them whenever they were on the same pitch, fighting all the time. They wanted to kill each other and yeah, red cards, this and that. And suddenly they're going to play for the same team. ये बात मतलब मजाक लग रही होगी, but it's serious thing. It's so hard to believe for the fans, FC Barcelona fans and the Real Madrid fans, that these two players are going to play together. Just imagine that, Messi is doing his signature dribbling and all of that, and a player tackles him, and it's a harsh tackle, so all the players, the things get heated up, and we see Ramos coming and hitting the player because he tackled Lionel Messi. If ये अगर बात कोई आके मुझे 5-6 साल पहले आके बोलता तो मैं उसको थप्पड़ मारता, सीरियसली. मतलब ये बिलीवेबल ही नहीं है यार. ये जो हो रहा है, मैं अभी भी शॉक में. मुझे अभी जब मैंने देखा कि लियोनेल मेसी ने वो शर्ट पहना जिसमें PSG का शर्ट है, ये मेसी लिखा हुआ है, 30 नंबर है, मेरे को अभी भी बिलीव नहीं हो रहा वो छोड़ के जा रहा है. It's something that it's going to take time to understand the entire situation, process it, and accept the fact that yeah, he's gone and all of that. Anyway, now the most important point is Barcelona now, FC Barcelona now. Well, a lot of people and a lot of fans will agree with me when I say that we do have quality in our team. It's a really, really good team with Griezmann, Dipe, Aguero, and of course, go to it. Yeah, jokes aside, Coutinho probably going to stay in the team. We have youngsters like Damir, Pedri, and Manaj, these guys. We have the OGs like Busquets, Jordi Alba. We have PK and Ter Stegen in the goal, and all of this. The team looks really good. But the problem here is that Messi was that glue holding the team together. Now, Messi's departure is of course going to affect on the morale of these players. So, even though the quality is good, there is a very good possibility that the team might not work out well. But, well, we'll have to see what happens in the future, of course. And honestly speaking, I do have a lot of expectations from FC Barcelona, this FC Barcelona. But honestly speaking, मैं खुश रहूँगा अगर FC Barcelona ने टॉप 4 में फिनिश किया तो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी. अगर गलती से कहीं कोपा डेल रे वगैरह जीतते तो वो तो और बड़ी बात होगी मेरे लिए. इट्स अ रियली गुड थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट, एंड आई बी हैप्पी विद इट. But of course, it does not mean I'm not going to expect anything. When FC Barcelona will be playing in Champions League, I want them to win the Champions League. Like, yeah, I'm a fan, so of course I would love to see my team winning trophies and this and that. And like Laporta said, there is no player bigger than the club. And of course, there is going to be this thing that, a lot of people will stop following Barcelona, will stop supporting Barcelona and go to PSG because Messi, the Messi fanboys, of course. But that's a good thing if you think about it, because we'll have the coolers, the original community, which is a good thing. because we'll support our team no matter what. Of course, I fell in love with FC Barcelona because of Lionel Messi. In fact, I fell in love with football because of Lionel Messi. I remember watching him play in 2010, 2014 World Cup, and it just changed my life. And yeah, but that does not mean I'm going to support whichever team Messi goes to. I fell in love with FC Barcelona because of Lionel Messi, but my love was transferred to FC Barcelona now. I'm not going to leave my club, I'm going to be there for my club. So yeah, and of course I'm going to hope a lot that my team does well, this and that. Of course, I'm going to hope a lot from Koeman as well, because I really want to see what he does with this team, because it's a really good team. I just think that we need that fire to go out there, get it, and yeah, the motivation which will be lost while. I have this really good example. So इंडियन टीम जो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम है, तो वो एक्चुअली बहुत क्वालिटी वाली टीम है, लाइक बहुत सालों से अच्छी टीम है हमारी टीम. बट जब भी हमारी टीम मतलब जल्दी वगैरह लाइक प्लेयर्स हमारे आउट हो जाते थे, लाइक जब हम बैटिंग कर रहे हैं आउट हो जाते थे वगैरह, तब वी ऑलवेज सेट दिस दैट माही है, टेंशन नहीं है क्योंकि माही है. Because there is this thing, there is this trust on MS Dhoni that he'll come and he'll save the team. It was the same with FC Barcelona and Lionel Messi. Players had this trust, fans had this trust on Lionel Messi that whatever goes wrong, Lionel Messi will be there to save the team. He'll do everything he can to save the team. He'll do everything he can to win and all of that, which will be lost now. But I still think that FC Barcelona still has a chance to go win out there. I'd really like to see my team prove me wrong and win a few titles this season. That would be really nice and all. With the new era starting, players like Ansu Fati and all coming up, that would be a really good thing. But well, at this point, I don't expect a lot from my team, and I also expect a lot from my team.